Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Recently, the Vishnugad Peoplekoti hydroelectric project has been constructed on which river? Right answer is option C, Alaknanda River. Who has recently assumed charge as the Director General of Police of Maharashtra? Right answer is option B, Sadanand Vasant Date. Which country is set to host the 52nd G7 summit scheduled for the year 2026? Right answer is option C, France. The Kalai 2 hydropower project recently in news is planned on which river? Right answer is option D, Lohit River. The second edition of the Khelo India Beach Games was recently held at which beach? Right answer is option B, Khogla Beach, Diu. Which state has been selected to host the Regional AI Impact Conference in 2026? Right answer is option D, Rajasthan. Who recently inaugurated development projects worth rupees 373 crore and laid foundation stones in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Right answer is option C, Union Home Minister Amit Shah. India has recently surpassed which country to become the world's largest producer of rice? Right answer is option A, China. American tennis star Venus Williams will become the oldest woman to compete in the Australian Open main draw at what age? Right answer is option C, 45 years. Who won the first prize under the Badalta Bharat Mera Anubhav Instagram Reel contest category? Right answer is option B, Indrajit Subodh Shankar. Recently, the Indian Army signed a deal for the Suryastra long range rocket system with which country? Right answer is option A, Israel. Where was the 72nd National Volleyball Tournament inaugurated recently? Right answer is option C, Varanasi. Which Indian state recorded its first ever sighting of an ultra rare strawberry colored leopard in January 2026? Correct answer is option D, Karnataka. Who has recently been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Patna High Court? Right answer is option B, Justice Sangam Kumar Sahu. Recently, who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Sikkim High Court? Right answer is option B, Justice A. Muhammad Mushtaq. What is the name of the water purification system developed by DRDO that was recently in news? Right answer is option C, Swades. ICGS Samudra Pratap, India's first indigenously designed pollution control vessel, has been built by which organization? Right answer is option C, Goa Shipyard Limited. Which year has been declared by the Indian Army as the year of networking and data centricity? Right answer is option A, 2026. On which date is the World Day of War Orphans observed in the year 2026? Right answer is option C, 6th January. Which country has strengthened its naval power by commissioning a new advanced warship named Lodi? Right answer is option D, China. The Government of India has launched the EB4 visa for business travelers from which neighboring country? Correct answer is option D, China. Which country's Chancellor Frederick Merz visited India on January 12th and 13th, 2026? Correct answer is option C, Germany. The indigenously manufactured automatic weather stations developed by Indian scientists use which technology to improve weather forecasting? Right answer is option C, 3D printing technology. Which government signed a memorandum of understanding with the Reserve Bank of India in January 2026? Right answer is option B, Delhi government. Where did the Union Home Affairs and Cooperation Minister inaugurate the National CSR Conclave of the NDTP Foundation for Nutrition? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Which country has become the first in the world to commercially produce biobitumen? Right answer is option B, India. The Salal hydroelectric project, an important power project in India, is located on which river? Right answer is option B, Chenab River. Who is the author of the book titled History That India Ignored? Right answer is option C, Prem Prakash. Recently, the Supreme Court of India signed a memorandum of understanding for the exchange of law clerks with which country? Correct answer is option A, Bhutan. India's first hydrogen powered train is planned to operate in which Indian state? Correct answer is option D, Haryana. Which year has been declared as the International Year for Rangelands and Pastoralists? Right answer is option C, 2026. Recently, India's first government hospital based artificial intelligence clinic was inaugurated in which state? Right answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. The first meeting of the Payments Regulatory Board was conducted under the chairmanship of whom? Right answer is option B, RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra. Renowned ecologist Madhav Gadgil, who passed away recently, was widely known for his work on the ecological importance of which region? Right answer is option C, Western Ghats. Which phase of the Specialized Cancer Care Training Program for BIMSTEC countries was launched in Vishakhapatnam? Correct answer is option B, second phase. Sidramaya became Karnataka's longest serving chief minister by surpassing the tenure of which former chief minister? Right answer is option C, Devraj Ars. India Energy Week 2026 is scheduled to be organized from January 27th to January 30th in which state? Correct answer is option D, Goa. The Industrial Research and Development Promotion Program has been launched as an initiative of which organization? Right answer is option C, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. The recently discovered Kushan coins in Pakistan are attributed to the reign of which ruler? Right answer is option B, Vasudeva. Timur, an air launched cruise missile that was recently in the news, has been developed by which country? Right answer is option C, Pakistan. India's largest integrated inland rainbow trout farm was inaugurated by Union Minister Rajiv Ranjan Singh in the Rangareddy district of which state? Right answer is option C, Telangana. What is the International Union for Conservation of Nature conservation status of the Bactrian camel recently seen in news reports? Right answer is option C, critically endangered. Which bill was passed by the Telangana State Assembly on 5th January 2026? Right answer is option B, Telangana GST Amendment Bill 2026. Former World Billiards champion Manoj Kothari, who passed away recently, won the World Billiards Championship title in which year? Right answer is option B, 1990. The first Braille library for visually impaired people in India was recently inaugurated in which state? Right answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Indian scientists have developed the first supercomputer powered simulation to capture which scientific phenomenon? Right answer is option D, Mpemba effect. Recently deceased Suresh Kalmadi served as Minister of State for Railways during the tenure of which Prime Minister? Right answer is option B, PV Narasimha Rao. Which state government launched the Sanskar Shala initiative aimed at promoting value based education? Right answer is option A, Assam. Who will host the inaugural India International Conference on Democracy and Election Management 2026 scheduled from January 21st to 23rd, 2026? Right answer is option C, Election Commission of India. Earth's rotation day is observed annually on which date? Right answer is option A, 8th January. An Indian led research study has warned that which fungus is becoming increasingly dangerous worldwide? Right answer is option C, Candida auris. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of the Food Corporation of India? Right answer is option A, Rabindra Kumar Agarwal. The historic Rohtasgarh Fort, which was recently in the news, is located in which Indian state? Right answer is option C, Bihar. Who will succeed Warren Buffett as the chief executive officer of Berkshire Hathaway? Right answer is option D, Greg Abel. Which country will host the AI Impact Summit scheduled for February 2026? Right answer is option D, India. Which organization notified India's first dedicated standard IS 19445 2025 related to bomb disposal systems? Right answer is option C, Bureau of Indian Standards. Who became the first bowler in men's T20 international cricket to take 8 wickets in a single match? Right answer is option C, Sonam Yeshe. The YJ-20 hypersonic anti-ship missile has been developed by which country? Right answer is option A, China. Deepti Sharma surpassed which player to become the highest wicket taker in women's T20 internationals? Right answer is option D, Megan Shute. Global Family Day 2026 is observed every year on which date? Right answer is option A, January 1st. Saudi Arabia carried out airstrikes on Mukalla, a port city located in which country? Right answer is option D, Yemen. Which Indian institute launched the Paramrudra supercomputer, the first supercomputer in Bihar? Right answer is option D, IIT Patna. Which Indian state has become the first to establish a national artificial intelligence research institution? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. The nuclear capable Oreshnik missile system has been deployed by which country? Right answer is option C, Russia. Who recently won the World Rapid and Blitz Chess Championship for the ninth time? Right answer is option D, Magnus Carlsen. Which country announced a peace prize for US President Donald Trump in the year 2026? Correct answer is option D, Israel. Where was India's first 3D flex aqueous angiography with iStent procedure successfully performed? Right answer is option D, Army Hospital, Delhi. The Jyoti Bishnu International Arts Center was inaugurated by Union Home Minister Amit Shah in which city? Right answer is option A, Guwahati. Which state government launched the digital initiative eSwasthya Samvad to improve transparency in medical education? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Which country formally acknowledged India's swift humanitarian assistance after devastation caused by Cyclone Ditwa? Right answer is option D, Sri Lanka. Which Indian state has become the first to constitute the 8th State Pay Commission? Right answer is option A, Assam. Who has become the first Indian woman to reach the South Pole? Right answer is option D, Kamya Karthikeyan. Recently, the headquarters of Goa's proposed third district is planned to be located at which place? Right answer is option A, Kwepim. Which organization successfully conducted the maiden flight test of the Pinaka long range guided rocket? Right answer is option C, DRDO. India's first bullet train project is progressing as planned and is expected to be operational by which time? Right answer is option D, August 2027. Which country has become the first in the world to officially recognize the Republic of Somaliland as an independent and sovereign state? Right answer is option D, Israel. Recently, who visited the INS Kadamba naval base located at Karwar in northern Karnataka? Right answer is option C, Draupadi Murmu. Which space agency is preparing to launch the Artemis 2 mission in the year 2026? Right answer is option A, NASA. According to a recent report, India surpassed which country to become the world's fourth largest economy? Correct answer is option D, Japan. Which public sector telecom company rolled out voice over Wi Fi services across India in January 2026? Right answer is option C, BSNL. Who has become the first learning disabled artist to win the prestigious Turner Prize 2025? Right answer is option D, Nena Kalu. Which Foundation Day was celebrated by the Defense Research and Development Organization on 1st January 2026? Right answer is option A, 68th Foundation Day. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Kerala High Court? Right answer is option B, Justice Saumen Sen. Recently, who clinched the gold medal in the Youth Girls Under 17 category at the 29th National Sport Climbing Championship 2025? Right answer is option D, Amaira Khosla. Which medal was won by the Indian women's hockey team at the Women's Asia Hockey Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A, silver medal. Mount Etna, one of the world's most active stratovolcanoes, is located on the eastern coast of which country? Correct answer is option C, Italy. Recently, which former England cricketer passed away at the age of 62? Right answer is option D, Hugh Morris. Which country has become the 21st nation to officially adopt the euro as its currency from 1st January 2026? Right answer is option B, Bulgaria. Who has inaugurated the e-bill system that will enable the government to digitally process fertilizer subsidies? Right answer is option D, JP Nadda. Which country granted legal rights to Amazonian stingless bees, making them the first insects in the world to receive such recognition? Correct answer is option A, Peru. Recently, who won the Women's Blitz Chess Championship title in 2025? Right answer is option D, Bibisara Asubaeva. Who has been appointed as the Vice Chief of the Air Staff of the Indian Air Force? Right answer is option C, Air Marshal Nagesh Kapoor. According to data released by the National Tiger Conservation Authority, how many tiger deaths were recorded in India in 2025? Right answer is option B, 166. Under which operation did Delhi police trace 1,303 missing persons in the Southwest District over the past year? Right answer is option D, Operation Milap. Who inaugurated the international exhibition of the sacred Piprahva relics of Gautama Buddha? Right answer is option D, PM Narendra Modi. Recently, where did the first Jallikattu event of the 2026 season take place? Right answer is option A, Tachankurichi, Tamil Nadu. The 6-lane greenfield access controlled Nashik Solapur Akkalkot corridor of 374 km was approved under which scheme? Right answer is option D, PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan. Which volcano located in Russia has become active again recently after being dormant since 1956? Right answer is option C, Bezimiani. When is India's first bullet train project expected to be launched as per the current progress timeline? Right answer is option B, 15th August 2027. Who assumed charge as the head of Southwestern Air Command of the Indian Air Force on 1st January 2026? Right answer is option D, Air Marshal Tejinder Singh. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.